Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I'm excited for talking about something that is near and dear to my heart today, the healing power of nature. Allow yourself to explore the peace, harmony, and beauty that Mother Nature has to offer with me. Together, let's go out to explore the natural beauties of the great outdoors, where revitalizing our bodies, minds, and spirits. Keep in mind that we can discover comfort, peace, and healing in nature. The amazing ability of nature to heal. I can feel my stress disappearing when I lose myself in the peace and quiet of endless outdoors. Every minute spent in nature serves as a reminder of profound beauty found in the smallest things in life, from the soft rustle of leaves to the calming sound of flowing water. Come along with me as we explore the natural world's treasure and learn about its healing, the mind, body, and spirit. Together, let's go out on this journey and welcome nature's healing embrace.
Good. Naglalakad na po siya. Naglalakad.
Gumaganda ang paligid kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig. Napapawi ang bigati, masilayan lang ang iyong ngiti. Okay gandang isipin ang isang mundong puno ng pag-ibig. Parang isang bulaklak na kay ganda na inabot mo sa iyong sinisinta, ang iyong nilaan na pagmamahal. Ang dulot nito ay tunay na ligaya. Pag-ibig nga ang susi, nararapat lang ibahagi. Gumaganda ang paligid kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig. Napapawi ang bigati, masilayan lang ang iyong ngiti. Okay gandang isipin ang isang mundong puno ng pag-ibig. 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 puno ng pag-ibig.